Hey YouTube, it's me, Jess, and I'm back again with another video, another Dollar General couponing video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I know I am. Yes, I just wanted to come to you and let you in on this really good deal that is going on at Dollar General. Just a short little scenario. Um, I did go to Dollar General last week. I didn't make a video last week. I did go, but I really didn't feel like, I got that many things, and it was stuff that everybody probably already knew about. But I did go to Dollar General last week, but I literally only went to get the Arm& and Hammer power packs. They're almost like Tide Pods. So those were $3.95. We had $3 coupons, so those were 95 cents. So I was able to get those. Um, I I'm glad I got them earlier on in the week because I had no intention of doing a 5 off 25 scenario last week anyway. That was the only thing I wanted to get, but I had a feeling that people were not going to wait till Saturday to get those pods, and I was correct because honestly, by Wednesday, Thursday, every Dollar General I went to, they had no Arm& and Hammer Tide Pods. I mean, what am I saying? Arm& and Hammer Power Pack. So if you had included that in your scenario last Saturday, you probably have had to rearrange because, like I said, people were just getting them for 95 cents instead of waiting until Saturday. And you will notice at Dollar General, if there's an unusually good deal, I wouldn't even include it in my scenario. I would just go ahead and get it early because they will go fast. And I also got the Downy and Bounce jar sheets from Family Dollar last week for 88 cents. So that's all I did last week, but I really didn't feel the need to make a video on that, right? So now this week, I did my Dollar General for trip for the week. I will not be back. As you guys know, there is no 5 off of 25, unfortunately. And it really is a pity because this is a week that they have a lot of good deals at Dollar General, and a lot of great coupons. So this would have been a really good week to, have a really good scenario and pay very little out of pocket. Probably spend about maybe, $7, $6 or $7, but or eight at the most. But yeah, this would have been a really good week if we had 5 or 25, but unfortunately we don't. Now I have heard some people say in different states that they got it, and some people said they got it on their receipt, and that is very possible because I remember one time when we didn't get the 5 for 25, I actually did have one that printed out my receipt, but we never got one in the app. So that definitely is a possibility. But from what I've been hearing, most people did not get it. So I think only a few did get the 5 for 25. What we did get was that corny coupon, spend 20 and get $5 off later, which I don't like those coupons because I'm the kind of person, I want to get all of my discounts right then and there. I don't want to have to spend, because I feel like now you're forcing us to have to come back to the store, spend more money. I might not want to come back next week. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so I won't be even fooling with that coupon. I didn't even clip it, right? But I did come up with this little short scenario because I was like, well, let's focus on the really good deals that are very inexpensive and we can really have a low out-of-pocket expense, right? So this is it. And today is definitely the day you want to do it because the Purex is only on sale through Thursday, right? And the coupon will expire after that, right? So, all right, so let's get started. So I did the deal 4 times. That's why you see so many things on the table, but we're just focused, but there's only 4 items. So if you only have one account, you just got to worry about the 4 items. But I did do this deal multiple times, all right? So the first thing that you definitely want to get is this 4-pack roll of DG toilet paper. Now the reason why this is such an amazing deal is, number one, the regular price is $2.55, right? And then there's a dollar off coupon on the app, so this will bring it down to $1.55. Now that is not only a really great deal for a 4-pack of toilet paper. What makes it even better is the amount of sheets that you're getting per roll. That is something that I notice a lot of people that are doing couponing videos, they sometimes they focus more on the price than the actual value of your money, like how, like really technically how much you're getting. Like you have to break it down to the ounces, to the sheets, and that's what I do. I don't just look at, oh, well, this pack of toilet paper, 12 rollers, I'm going to end up paying $4. This is still a better deal, and I'm going to tell you why. This pack of toilet paper is comparable to Scott's 1,000 sheets, right? Each roll of toilet paper has 1,250 sheets on each roll, which means that this 4-pack is giving you 5,000 sheets of toilet paper for $1.55. You cannot beat that. Because when we're running to get the Scott Comfort Plus only has about, what, 300 sheets per roll? So that's like 3,600 sheets for the whole pack, and you're still paying about $4 after the coupon. This is $1.55, and you're getting 5,000 sheets, okay? And you can even, when you pick it up, you can actually feel the heaviness and the thickness of the toilet paper. So that little 4-pack could actually last you a good while. That's the reason why I had to jump on that, and I got it 4 times. So, and the coupon for this doesn't just cover the 12,000 the what am I saying? The 1250 sheets. It also covers the 4 mega rolls, but I still think you're better off with this. The 4-pack mega rolls is a $2.95 and you'll pay $1.95 and you're getting less toilet paper. So this actually ends up being a better deal. So I don't know if the other one was more expensive because it was 2-ply, but I don't care about 2-ply toilet paper. 1-ply is still fine and you're still getting a lot of sheets, right? So that's that. The only thing with this deal that you have to be aware of is that this morning, now I'm not saying this is going to happen to you, but when I went to Dollar General this morning, the store I went to, the $1 off coupon would not come off. And I did this deal 4 times. So everything else came off except this toilet paper coupon. It's supposed to be $1 off. And I showed the manager was there at the time, and he was so cool. Like, he was actually asking me to show him how to do this, and he works there. He didn't even know what was on sale. He didn't even know about the coupons. So that was really interesting. But yeah, he was really cool. But yeah, he actually manually took off the $1 off coupons for each transaction because I actually went in there into my app. I showed him the ad. I showed him the coupon that I had clipped. So, he was like, don't worry about it. I'll just take it off because I showed him and I said, this is the right coupon. It matches. I don't know why it's not coming off. So that's it. I think sometimes it could also have to do with the cash register because I remember one time about maybe a month or 2 ago, I had went to a Dollar General, tried to buy something. The coupons weren't coming off. But then when I had them to cancel it. But then when I went to another Dollar General, like 10 minutes later, the coupons came off. So it could just be the register, but just be aware of that, okay? So again, $2.55, you're going to clip your $1 off coupon. The next item you're going to get is a Purex. Now, this was really a good deal also. This was a real steal. Now, the Purex in the ad is being advertised as $3.95 on sale. And that's only Tuesday through Thursday. So this is not going to be going all the way up to Saturday. So it's $3.95. And then we just got a $2 off coupon for the Purex. And that just uploaded this morning. So if you haven't already, go on your app and click that coupon. So then you'll pay $1.95 for the Purex. But here's the thing. Yes, the ad says that it's $3.95. It's $3.95 on sale. But when your cashier scans it, it's actually going to ring up at $3.55, okay? So which makes this even a better deal. So you're going to end up paying $1.55 for the Purex. And mind you, this is 75 ounces. That's a lot of detergent. And Purex is a good detergent. It's not, a BS detergent. It actually do wash your clothes properly. And my mom loves this stuff. So yeah, definitely get this. And if you go on their website, you'll see that the Purex is on sale. It's actually on sale for $3.55 on the website, but for some reason in the ad they have it as $3.95. But don't worry about that; it will ring up at $3.55. And I mean, if it doesn't, just go on with it anyway, because even at $1.95, you're still getting a good deal. But of course, $1.55 is even better. So, and I don't think it matters what scent you got, but honestly, Dollar General doesn't really carry a bunch of scents for Purex. The only ones I saw was Mountain Breeze, and I think there's some other odor lifter scent, but my store didn't have that. I just saw the Mountain Breeze, and it's fine. It smells good. So all right, now here's the other one I'm excited about. This is actually one of my favorite things to clean with. This is a Fabuloso. One of the reasons I love Fabuloso because for one, it's a really good quality product. It does clean very well and it smells amazing. If you clean your floors with this or your bathroom, whatever, that whole room will be just smelling amazing. So yeah, so these are on sale for $2.85. They're normally $3, but they're on sale for $2.85, and they gave us $1 off coupon. So you will pay $1.85 for this, and you have to get the sizes that are 48 ounce to 56 ounces, right? So you're actually getting the big Fabuloso for $1.85. Great deal. And the reason why I was really even more excited about this is because the store I went to actually had this scent. And I've been wanting this one for a while. And sometimes they're hard to find. Most times the Dollar General only carries the lavender or the apple. But this store actually had a lot of these. This is a Fabuloso Complete floral burst, and when I tell you guys, this smells so good. I cannot wait to clean my bathroom today because I'm definitely going to be using a lot of this. So, and if you look at it, this, you could even tell the formula that for this one is a lot thicker too. So I'm really interested to see how well this cleans. And now the only thing with this one, this is not as big as the other one I'm about to show you. This one is only 48 ounces, but it's still a great product. But again, it smells amazing. I was actually wondering why they called it Complete, but it shows that it does different things. If you look here, it says that it removes lime scale. and it cuts through grease. It helps remove stains, which I know that Fabuloso is good at removing stains, and it leaves a great fragrance, right? So, but like I said, guys, if you find this in your store, grab this. And the other one I got was I don't think I have any of these. I think I might have one. I'm not sure, but this is the Fabuloso bleach alternative, right? And this is the Spring Fresh. This smells good also. This smells very good, right? So I love, like I said, I love clean with Fabuloso, period. But yeah, this particular scent is really good as well. So, and like I said, Fabuloso is good, not, for cleaning, and it really does remove stains. So, and last but not least, was the Palmolive. This is the apple pear scent, and this is dishwashing liquid. This one is really, really big, y'all. This dishwashing liquid is 52 ounces, right? And they're on sale for $2.75. They're normally $3, and to make it even better, there is a $2 off coupon that you should have clipped over the weekend, right? So you're going to pay 75 cents. And just so y'all know, it's not just Palmolive that's covered by this deal. It's also the Ajax. So you can either get the 52-ounce Palmolive or the 52-ounce Ajax. I know for a fact the Ajax does have like 3 different scents. It has the orange, a lemon, and there's some kind of other grapefruitish or fruity scent that they have. So, but I really like the Palmolive, and I have so much Ajax from the last time I did a deal with Ajax, dish liquid, so I just decided to just get the Palmolive, right? So that's it. So guys, your total for all of this will be $5.70. Assuming that you're going to get the Purex for $3.55. I mean, yeah, for $3.55. If it rings up at $3.55, your total will be $5.70. So that's what I paid this morning, and I did my transaction 4 times. So I basically paid I think I spent like about $25 this morning, and I'm getting 4 really great packs of toilet paper, 4 detergents, 4 Fabuloso, and 4 huge dish liquids. You can't beat that. This is a really good deal. And I think this is a great deal for someone who's starting out. If you're new to couponing and, especially digital couponing, and you're trying to build a stockpile, here is a great start, okay? This is a really great start for anyone who's new and is just trying to build their stockpile and and trying to save, okay? So that is it. And I have my receipt here. I will just go on ahead and show y'all the receipt so y'all could see that it was $5.70 for everything, right? If the Purex rings up at $3.95, then you'll pay $6.10 out of pocket. So I think that's pretty good. Like I said, if you guys want to do that, buy 20 get 5 later, that's on you, but I have no desire to do that. Like I said, this is your total's gonna come up to about $12 anyway. So I think it's really good to pay $5.70 for all this stuff, right? So please, if you have any questions, comments, please leave it below. I definitely will respond. If you like the video, please subscribe, give me a like, share the video, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye guys.